Over the past few months, boredom has set into the crypto market, as it feels like prices have been going sideways for an eternity. And you know, people are getting bored when meme coins begin flying off again as people chase those juicy, fast crypto gains. Well, even though we're having our fair share of macro FUD with debt ceilings and recession talk, the good news is that there's been some amazing developments going on in the background with crypto. Huge developments like China giving the green light to crypto, and even the World Economic Forum getting involved. And so in this video, we'll be taking a look at the 5 biggest developments that have been going on around the world, and then also how this bull market compares with the previous ones. Okay, so first up, from inception, it seems like crypto is following a distinct 4-year cycle, which centers around the Bitcoin halving event. Well, the halving event will be coming up next year, so does this mean it's all about to kick off? And so this is a great chart which really shows the massive bull market cycles and also the brutal bear markets. And it also seems to center around this Bitcoin halving event, which is the line here going through the middle. So this was cycle 1, this was cycle 2, this was cycle 3, which then turned into cycle 4. This is the last brutal bear market, which seems it may have bottomed out here, which was about November time last year. It's since bounced back, and we've had this sideways pattern, what it seems like an eternity. Now, just under a year until the halving event, so we're gonna start seeing loads of stuff around the Bitcoin halving event over the coming months. Now, the only question mark I have is this is what happened last year. So pretty much around this time, Bitcoin went on to correct, pull back again around 50%. And that's not even including what happened with the COVID flash crash. It had already corrected 50%. So is it possible that it could do that if the US goes into recession? Yes, it could. But then, like other cycles, it's about now, which it really just started to take off. So that's the only question mark I have. How is the next 6 months going to play out? But from there, I personally believe the next bull market cycle is going to be the biggest one yet. So as always, have a plan for both directions. Now, onto the 5 biggest developments from the last few weeks, and the first one is a doozy. We are in China, and this was Hong Kong opening its doors to retail investors once again. Now, obviously, we all know China had blocked and banned crypto. However, Hong Kong has opened its doors to retail investors, and as this is controlled by China, obviously they are giving the green light. And I think it's because China is trying to become the world's largest economy. So clearly they've been watching my crypto bull market updates, and they've seen the developments going on, and they don't want to miss out. They're realizing that crypto could be a massive market. Then also, in the same few weeks, we had China Central Television airing a crypto segment. And this is big because it has an audience of over 1 billion people, which is crazy. And was this a big deal? Well, CZ of Binance jumped in to say it is a big deal. And in fact, the Chinese speaking communities are buzzing about this. And historically, coverages like this have led to bull runs. And obviously, not saying past predicts the future, not financial advice. Number 2, And we are in Mexico. And this is all about a partnership between Mexico's largest internet provider, Total Play, and Ibex. And they have made a partnership so that it will give lightning payments to millions of Mexican citizens. And I always love stories that involve millions of people getting involved in crypto. Also, in Mexico, we have senators joining forces trying to push Bitcoin as legal tender, and also MasterCard bringing out a crypto debit card. So clearly Mexico is very bullish, and again, this is all knocking on the doors of the US. We have the second biggest economy now showing signs that they want to get into crypto. You've got your southern border in the US trying to get into crypto. What else does the US need? Perhaps their northern border of Canada. Number 3, and this is all about Binance and their global adoption, and every couple of weeks they seem to be opening up another country. This time it's Thailand. They've got a license for Thailand and they're going to be launching an exchange Q4 this year. And you've got to love Cointelegraph and these images. This is great. A little crypto as he makes his way into Thailand. Number 4, and this is all about everybody's favorite Bitcoin whale, Michael Saylor. And he recently put on an event and he is switching his focus from layer 1, we all know he loves Bitcoin, to layer 2 and everything Bitcoin's Lightning Network can bring. And he's basically showing that the Lightning Network can be used in a number of different ways, from website cybersecurity to Satoshi-powered incentives, and he's trying to open the door for businesses. And then number 5, amazingly, we had a piece from the World Economic Forum. And these guys are trying to be the global government. And they are now writing pieces on crypto, talk about crypto getting attention. So let me just finish with this quote from the World Economic Forum. And they have said, "The embrace of crypto technology is equally inevitable. Even if the term feels like a bad word, for all its faults, this technology remains a protagonist in the global financial world." Although it can be pretty annoying and boring when crypto just goes sideways, unfortunately cycles do take time to play out. However, the crypto developments have not stopped. We've had Hong Kong opening crypto back up to retail investors with the blessing of China, Thailand deciding they too want to get involved in the next bull market cycle, Bitcoin whale Michael Saylor shifting his focus from layer 1 to layer 2 with lightning solutions for businesses, and even the World Economic Forum is now talking about crypto and also saying crypto's success is inevitable. And the only question mark I still have is, are we going to see another 50% drop before things start to rip? As always, be sure to have a plan for both directions and then get some popcorn, as I think the next bull market is going to be the biggest one yet. So there you are, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Tell me, what do you think about these latest developments? Let me know your thoughts below. And for now, just to say, if you did enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like. And a big thank you to everyone who does. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.